BCS Group from Italy is a leading multinational in agricultural mechanization, famous for revolutionizing farming since the 1940s. Founded by engineer Luigi Castoldi, BCS started with the world's first self-propelled motor mower, dramatically boosting productivity for farmers and transforming traditional agriculture. Today, BCS Group designs and manufactures a complete range of specialized agricultural machines, including compact tractors, professional motor mowers, and two-wheel tractors, as well as equipment for green maintenance and autonomous power systems. With 3 production plants in Italy and a global presence in over 100 countries, BCS stands out for its innovation, quality, and commitment to making farmers' lives easier and more efficient. If you want to connect with top agricultural brands like BCS Group and streamline your machinery sourcing, Aggz.com is the B2B platform that brings the best in commercial vehicles and equipment right to your business, making every deal smarter and easier.